Looking for the perfect flooring that combines style, strength, and sustainability? Discover SPC flooring, where luxury meets durability. SPC flooring, or Stone Plastic Composite flooring, offers a wide range of designs from natural wood looks to modern stone textures, giving your home a premium feel without the premium price. Installing SPC flooring is a breeze. With a simple click-lock system, it's quick to install over most existing floors, making it a perfect DIY project or a fast job for the pros. Whether it's a contemporary living room, a cozy bedroom, or a stylish kitchen, SPC flooring complements any decor and enhances your home's aesthetic. Contact us or visit our website today. Experience the perfect blend of style, comfort, and durability with SPC flooring, because your floors deserve nothing but the best.